My idea generator. Every month, I send out a printed newsletter and an audio or video disc to my cash flow newsletter members. I've been writing this newsletter for a long time, 20 years, and you might think I'd be getting tired of it by now, that I'd already covered just about everything under the sun. But that's not the case at all. The reason? Writing this newsletter and creating the audio or video each month gives me ideas. I consider it my idea generator, and I do it even if I wasn't writing a newsletter. Sitting down in front of that blank page every month forces me to look for innovation and new profit centers in my business. Most of the time, my newsletter is the first place anyone sees my new ideas and techniques. My subscribers are the lucky few who get first crack at implementing these new strategies. They get to see what I'm working on and what my mentor students have been working on, and sometimes those new ideas and techniques surprise even me. It's what happens when you're actively engaged with building and improving your business, and you set aside time to actually work on your business rather than just in your business. Even though producing my newsletter on paper may be considered by some to be a little old-fashioned or retro, I am pretty old after all. And sending the video and audio on disc instead of streaming online may be considered passé. Despite my old school ways, this newsletter contains the most recent bleeding edge ideas that you're going to find anywhere. I highly recommend you do this with your own business, even if you don't have subscribers or anyone to send it to. It's a great way to force yourself to improve your business. If you'd like to get 30 days of my cash flow newsletter membership for free, all I ask is that you pay $4.95 for postage. You can sign up for it online at joecrump.com/cashflow. I'll send you a free copy. If you like it, do nothing, and I'll continue to send you the newsletter every month for $39.95 a month. If you want to cancel, just let us know, and we'll stop sending it immediately and never charge you again. No hard feelings. I hope you'll give it a try, and you'll join me on my monthly adventure in real estate investing. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button below. You can also go to joecrumpblog.com and sign up for my free email newsletter. I put out a lot of free information there that you can't find anywhere else. All right, good luck to you.